Peter, can you hear us?
Yeah, sorry, just clicking into audio. Yep, I can hear you.
Hello, how are you?
How are you? Good morning.
Good, thank you.
자, 우리 모임은 많은 관계로 짧게 핵심만 촥촥촥 얘기하고 바로바로 체킹하고 우리 넘어가는 걸로 하시자고.
빨리빨리 하자고요.
그러니까 모여서 길게 얘기할 거 없이 딱딱 필요한 것만 촥촥촥 얘기하고 찍고 넘어가는 걸로 하자고.
Okay, so Hanuk just mentioned that it'll be great if we can just go over very quickly during the meeting so that we don't eat up your time, and then we can all have our.
그리고 뭐지? 내가 돈을 주고 이걸 샀는데 저기 살짝 우리 기억을 확장시키기 위해서 살짝 레코딩해도 되냐고 물어봐 주시면 어떨까요?
Okay. Hanuk just mentioned that he just purchased this Zoom link in order to go through. I think he just spent his own expenditure. I don't think his organization supported it anyway. So he said it would be okay if we just record everything because since he can't, get all the things right in English and Korean, so that maybe if there are something that he would like to revive, then he just want to look at it again. So if you don't mind, he would like to record.
Yeah,
괜찮대요.
no problem.
네, recording in progress.
오케이. 자, all ready. 자, 오늘 체크해야 될 거는 선생님이 피터 교수님께서 친절하게 이거 보내주셔가지고 우린 이거 가지고 있다. 원래는 하나씩 집으려고 그랬는데 온 사람들만 얘기를 했으면 좋겠다. 근데 지금 피터슨 교수님하고 엠마 교수님이 오셨으니까 고기와 관련된 것만 진행사항만 체크하면 끝날 것 같은데요.
So Peter, Hannah just mentioned that since Rob couldn't join our meeting, Rob and Sam couldn't join our meeting today, he said that it would be great to go over the topics that which you and Emma is involved for today to shorten the meeting. Would it be okay for you?
Okay, that's fine. And I think you have scheduled another meeting for Wednesday, which I can't attend either. So, so that would be good. And here is Sam.
Sam is here. Okay. Oh, he's
There is Sam.
Hello. Hello. How was your party yesterday?
Oh, yeah, it was great. Thanks.
Happy birthday.
Not looking a day older. Yeah,
Then maybe we can just go over the topic area of landscape and not border studies. So number 1, number 4, and number 5, probably.
Yeah, I mean, is it worth sharing a screen?
Yes, it'd be great if you could share the screen first. 스크린 쉐어하는 거 괜찮죠, 선생님?
네.
그럼 스크린 쉐어할 수 있게 권한을 좀 주실 수 있을까요?
Okay. I can't share it because I need to be given permission.
Yes.
But
Right. I asked him to give you the
이거
permission so that you can just share it with us.
어떻게 주는 거죠 이게?
그게 위에
잠깐만요.
그
호스트 만들기?
거기를 누르시면 거기에 발표자에게 공유 뭐 이게 있을 텐데요, 그쵸?
호스트 만들기 아닌가?
호스트 만들기?
호스트로 바꿔주면 되는 거 아닌가?
네네네네네. Okay, now you are host, so maybe you can share the screen with us.
okay, I'm just bringing it up. Let me see. Hang on. So, here. Okay, can you see that now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect.
You can see it.
Okay. So, just going through it very quickly. or so, perhaps slightly longer. The publications, as we'll go through quickly, Sam to provide or a proposal for a 6-month project, which I think he's already done. I think I've been copied in on that with something. Yep, thank you, Sam. And then the possibility of a workshop or something similar with the GGCF in the second quarter, possibly sometime between June and August. So the topics that we talked about was something on these are all articles, publications, something on landscape, something on tourism, on border studies, on world heritage and peace, local communities, and on DMZ security, etc. And you'll see there that the whatever that is, 4 out of the 6 are on the SSCI list. We try and get a tourism one on that list as well, so that should work for you. Shall I stop now, June, if you want to translate?
Yes, I will. 선생님, 그래서 일단은 오늘은 아까 말씀하신 대로 1번, 3번 빼고 1, 4, 5에 대해서 이제 논의를 할 거라고 하셨고요.
네.
왜냐면 생 교수님이기 때문에 랜드스케이프 오늘 얘기할 수 있을 것 같고,
네.
그다음에 두 번째로 말씀하신 거는 지금 그때 6개월짜리 프로젝트 있잖아요.
네.
그 프로포저를 지금 준비하고 계신데요.
네.
그래서 쌤 교수님께서 그걸 쓰셨고 그거를 피터스톤 교수님께서 지금 리뷰하는 중이고 다 되면 아마 우리한테 올 거고 그 계획과 더불어서 내년에 워크숍 계획도 같이 써서 주신다고 하거든요.
네.
벌써 내년 계획을 다 이렇게 미리 해가지고 어쨌든 그거를 조금 약간 이거에 대해서 조금 계속 검토가 됐으면 쓰신 것 같아요. 그래서 어쨌든 그 미리 내년 계획도 같이 주신다고 하세요.
그러니까 너무 좋고 원래 내년 거하고 내후년 거 저도 당연히 그러니까 원래 사실 우리가 3기년 계획 그러니까 왔었을 때 3기년 계획을 그림을 그린다 그래서 그게 있으면 훨씬 좋고 해주시면 하는데 사실 워크숍하고 나는 저희는 심포지움하고 차별을 잘 모르겠어 가지고 내년 워크숍이라는 게 소규모의 심포지움처럼 똑같이 하는 게 우리는 오히려 더 낫지 않을까 싶어서 그러니까 잘 차이를 모르겠어 가지고요. 그러니까 우리는 이제 심포지움 한다면 너무 사람이 적은 것 같아가지고, 그러니까 워크숍이라 그러면 잘 모르겠어가지고 선생님 딱 구별이 가요?
그거 워크숍에 대한 데피니션을 좀 물어볼까요?
그러니까 그러는 건지 아니면 그러니까 내년에는 우리 4명이니까 국내 4명 그러니까 붙여서 워크숍이 되어도 좋지만 그 우리 계획상으로는 차라리 심포지움도 괜찮다. 4명 정도가 그러니까 작은 규모의 그거. 그 다음에 내후년에는 진짜 크게 붙일 수 있는 그거를 뭐 이틀 한다든지 이렇게 좀 크게 하는 거를 어쨌든 이렇게 계획을 좀 나도 생각은 하고 있다.
Okay, so Hyunwook just mentioned that it's really good that you're preparing all those 6-month projects as well as those plans for the workshop next year. And regarding the workshop, he has a question that like how big the size should be, or like is it the workshop or is the symposium? Like he's really sure like how to define that event next year because in Korea, symposium and workshop the definition is somewhere in between. So it'd be great if you can explain a little bit more about it.
Okay, let me do that in a minute. We'll just go through this list of publications very quickly.
Sure.
And then we'll come to that. But really, that's a discussion for all of us to have an input into. But let's just do the publications first.
Okay.
Do you want to
퍼블리케이션
say?
먼저 하시겠대요.
네?
오케이. 퍼블리케이션부터 먼저 하고
네.
그거를 알려주겠대요.
And then under the column saying lead author, we've got people in bold, initials in bold, and all the initials explained underneath as to who will take the initiative on those. And the idea is that all except number 6 will have an abstract and subheadings available by the 31st of this month. And we will circulate that to everybody else on this group for any comments, and then we'll work a date for comments to be finalised, and then the final operational, but it should be manageable for most of the six.
Okay. So I'll translate this to Hyunuk really quickly. 그래서 기본적으로 이 차트 다시 한번 설명해 주신 거거든요.
네.
앞에 볼드 포인트로 되어 있는 사람들이 책임을 지는 걸로 한다고. 근데 지금 여섯 번째 거는 1번과 5번을 다 합친 내용이기 때문에 그 여섯 번째 거만 어쨌든 제외하고 첫 번째 거, 두 번째 것만 다섯 번째 해당되는 거는 앞에 그 볼드 프린트한 사람들이 어제 7월 31일까지 앱스트랙트랑 서브헤딩 작성해서 제출을 할 거다라고 말씀하셨어요. 그리고 10월 31일까지는 전체 파이널 드래프트를 다 하는 걸로. 어쨌든 그 기한은 확실하다라고 말씀해 주셨고요. Okay, Peter, I translate everything.
Good, thank you. And then this is just a very rough starter on the left-hand side under topic, the six areas that we will get publications in, we hope. And then a very brief description that I have written for everybody following the meeting that we had on the last day in South Korea. It may be that other people might want to slightly modify the words that I've written for their articles, but it just gives you a very rough idea about the sort of things that we think those articles would cover. And then in the final column, just a rough idea of the word length that we were thinking of, which relates to the journal that we think we might try to get them into.
그래서 선생님 이렇게 그래서 지금 이걸 내용을 보시면 일단 우리가 전화를 내고자 했던 그 전화에서 요구하는 그 월드 랭스를 다 찾아가지고 넣어주신 거고요. 오른쪽에 보시면 그다음 왼쪽에는 주제별로 이제 간략하게 어떤 내용의 논문이 들어갈지를 설명을 써놓으신 건데 이걸 한번 읽어보고 내용 보완이 필요한 부분들은 의견을 같이 공유했으면 좋겠다고 말씀하셨어요.
And then just the final point, we discussed the idea and we all thought it was a good one that all six of the articles should be translated into Korean and perhaps published as a small publication from the GGCF.
그리고 제일 중요한 거는 이 6개를 다 모아다가 한글로 번역을 하고 번역된 거를 GGCF 이름으로 그냥 보고서 같이 책자 하나 만들면 좋겠다.
그거 말씀해 주셔가지고 제가 다 어쨌든 저기 다 될 것 같다고 올해 잘 나올 수 있을 것 같다고 출판만 되면.
So Hyunuk said that he has prepared. So since the last meeting, he has prepared and found the budget or allocated budget to work on those translating all 6 articles and published under GCF. And he said that it will be done by this year. So it will be available.
오히려 가능하면 그러니까 국내도 하지만 외국에 좀 많이 보낼 수 있다면 그 저널에 낸 것도 도움이 된 거고 우리가 무료로 다 배포하겠다고 수량을 그러니까 좀 해주면 좋겠다고 사실은 그게 우리가 홍보에 도움이 된다고.
Then GGCF's idea is that it would be great if we can include the English versions, all 6 English versions together, and the Korean version, and maybe distribute to some other countries as well. But I'm not really sure whether it would be okay since we will be publishing through the journals. So whether I think we'll have to.
Yeah, that would be potentially more difficult. I think probably, we would need to get some advice, but it might be, so as far as I understand, for those journals which are open access, translation wouldn't be a problem and republishing them in the original wouldn't also be a problem. But not all of the journals that have been identified are at the moment open access, so that may be a problem. But certainly they could be published certainly they could be published in Korean, and we can investigate whether or not they could also be published in English by the TGCF. I don't know, Sam, do you want to say anything?
Well, no, only that if they're published in open access, which I mean, I assume most of these could be.
Yeah.
Then you retain the copyright, so you can do what you want with it.
Yeah.
So republication in Korean or in English would not be problematic.
Wouldn't be a problem. No, quite. That's what I thought. So, I mean, that's a bit of work for the lead authors, just to try and make sure that we identify journals that are open access.
So it would be great if you can identify on it. Then it'll be better for Hyunuk to work on his budget, because based on the pages and expected the number of publications that he will need, I think he's just trying to allocate how much he will need to spend. So it'd be great if you can let us know whether it'll be possible. Even if it's not possible, I will explain to Hyunuk quickly that about all those things that you just mentioned.
Yeah.
선생님,
Actually,
일단은
Hang on a sec.
let's just say if we can publish an open access journal, if somebody who is from the staff of the university can be either the first author or the corresponding author, we get it for free with most of the open access journals, so there'll be no cost for the publication of the open access publication, because our university has agreements with most of the publishers. So it should be free for open access publication.
그래서 선생님, 이게 저널이 퍼블리케이션이 되면은 외국 저널에서는 그거를 책자로 만드는 거는 안 될 수도 있어요. 그래서 영문 번역은 못 들어갈 수도 있거든요.
한글만 써야 된다.
될 수 있는 상황도 있어요.
네네네.
근데 일단 각자 좀 알아보겠다고는 하셨거든요.
네네.
근데 이제 샘 교수님 말씀으로는 대부분 뉴캐슬 대학에서 하는 것들은, 그러니까 뉴캐슬하고 그 저널하고 이제 협정을 맺은 게 모든 내용들은 다 무료로 공개한다라는 전제 조건으로 했기 때문에 거의 될 것 같다고는 했는데, 제가 볼 때 아마 임팩트 스코어 높은 것들은 안 될 수도 있어요. 왜냐면 그 저널 통해서만 해야 되니까. 그래서 그건 안 될 수도 있다. 근데 알아보겠다 이렇게 말씀해 주셨어요.
So the only additional cost would be the number of pages that the publication from the GGCF actually took up.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know if it's helpful, but maybe we could calculate the in-kind contribution that would make towards the project from the university. If you wanted to calculate, as something for to include in budget calculations, because normally this would cost maybe, I don't know, £1,000 for it, or more than that actually for each article. But if we can get it for free through the university, we can say that it's a contribution of £10,000 or something to the helps just for administrative purposes.
그러니까 이거를 뭐 그냥 대충 뭐 뉴캐슬 대학에서 보통 어느 정도 그게 만약에 퍼블리케이션 하면 어느 정도 드는지를 대충 추정해서 알려줄 수 있다고 하시거든요. 수량이나 이런 거를 걱정이 되시면 그냥 하는데 근데 잠깐만요. 제가 하나만 설명을 더 할게요. But Hyunuk's idea was that since we all worked together, he just wanted to put Newcastle name on it, so that all those books that you have worked on can be seen as like English version and Korean version, and how the cooperation has been done between Newcastle University and GGCF, and he just wants to promote to other countries. So he will send like tons of books to Newcastle, and you can kind of distribute somewhere else. I think that was his kind of idea, so that many people, the end can be well known to many other people around Newcastle. Out of Newcastle.
Yeah. No, and that sounds great. And I presume, Sam, that you would want the Centre for Landscape Studies logo on that.
Yeah, we can. If it's helpful,
we could do that, and we could do the UNESCO chair. I think the 6 articles are probably too broad to put the Blue Shield logo on them. But it would be lovely to have those 2 articles sorry, those two logos on from the UNESCO chair at Newcastle and from the Centre for Landscape Studies.
Okay. I'll just translate quickly. 책 만약에 만들게 되면 블루실드 그 로고랑 뉴캐슬 로고랑 뭐 랜드스케이프 저널 로고도 같이 들어가면 좋겠다. 그리고 유네스코 체어 이름도 같이 넣어줄 수 있을 것 같다. 그 이름으로 자기는 할 수 있을 것 같다고 하시거든요. 그렇게 해도 괜찮겠냐고 물어보니까 해주면 좋겠다고 하셨어요.
그러니까 우리가 작년에 대표이사랑 블루실드랑 MOU를 맺었잖아요. 실질적인 거기에 진전을 못 나가는데 나는 지금 피터 교수님이 왔다 간 다음에 이제 보고서를 어떻게 만들 것인가 하고 그 뒤에 3개년 계획하고 몇 가지를 거기다 추가시켜서 이제 일을 조금 더 이제 크게 만들려고 그러는데 우리는 한 달 정도가 여유가 있는 것 같은데 어쨌든 지금 진행되는 것까지를 좀 넣어가지고 원래 7월 말 정도면은 대략의 내볼 때 얼개가 다 나올 것 같고 그다음에 우리가 뭐 저널 몇 개 나올 거지도 한다니까 아이디어 주셨으니까 책은 뉴캐슬에서 출판하고 싶은 게 아니라 우리가 다 출판해서 보내주겠다. 여러 군데 뿌리는 게 좋겠다. 그 다음에 마크는 많이 들어가도 좋다. 당연히 좋지. 그게 홍보가 되니까. 그 다음에 영국만 생각한 게 아니라 독일하고 미국하고 여기서도 DMZ 관련 관심 있는 사람들이 간간히 문의가 온다. 그렇기 때문에
얘기할게요.
그래서 그 얘기 슬쩍만 흘려주시고 그래서 이제 관심 있는 데가 있어서 우리가 먼저 이 부분에 대해서 뭔가 좀 의미 있는 한 걸음을 미리 나아가고 싶다. 그 얘기를 하고 싶어요.
Okay, so it's quite important. Kind of just said that all those putting all those logos and he will just spend like all those expenditures for publications of the books, all 6 articles. GGCF is ready to do it, and he will just publish it. And like if you let him know how many books you need, then he'll just send it to Newcastle, and you can just distribute anywhere else. And the other thing is that he said that after your visit, the CEO, so I think the person you met last year, which Peter met last year, he was quite interested in this project, but kind of will have to submit like a report of how like what was the result of this visit and what their plans are for the next 3 years. So Hyunam is actually working on it. So if all these papers and schedules are on time, he said it would be really good for him so that he can put more inputs on his report to set up a 3-year project, including the workshop and symposium sometime within 3 years. And the other important thing is that I also got a contact, and Hyunam also got a contact from Korea Heritage Service. So the deputy director kind of introduced some of the scholars from like Germany or US that they are also interested in working on